Hey, who's this guy boosting in spawn? Hey.
Alright, you can turn on the fence. So, you wanna know something funny? The last stage was technically supposed to be the last stage, but this was a new addition that someone made. I have to make it back. You go to the door on the right, doors on the right, doors on the right. Alright, get in the elevator, get in the elevator. Also, does anyone see cube maps on the map? I need to make sure. I did something a little bit funny to the cube maps. I made them 16 by 16. Kind of defend zombies with TP in front of the elevator. You have to defend zombies.
Ah, that guy's lucky.
Defend now, defend now. Chatu, do you approve of these cube maps? My 32 by 32 cube maps?
I don't even see them.
That's the point. I removed the reflections from a bunch of stuff. Doors open, get back, get back, get back, get back, get back, get back. We're gonna go to the right side. We're gonna go to the right side. We're gonna defend two bridges. Two bridges, you gotta keep holding. Turn on the fan now, turn on the fan. So later, one person needs to go inside the helicopter to trigger it, like look for the bomb, and then one person needs to go under the electric tower to press E on the... And everyone just stay in the fight, keep defending these two bridges, keep defending these two bridges. Then you gotta go under the electric tower and press E to trigger the bomb. Everyone stay in defend, you don't want a door hug as well, that shit explodes, hurts a lot. Keep defending. Is anyone triggering the bomb? Hello? Look, spam E under the middle part.
Check my item, dark room.
Okay, whoever touched the bomb needs to cut. Whoever got the bomb needs to press E at the below. Wait, did you get it?
Yeah, where? Where to trigger?
Like in the middle here. It should be in the middle here. There's like a mark, like a button in there.
You gotta press E on the ground. Ah, you're finding the stage.
I don't think I properly. I should put a marker or something. But who pressed the C4 though? That's the thing.
I did.
Well, you need to come press E on the button. You can trigger the bomb right here.
I am doing it.
Well, that's weird.
You're doing it wrong.
Did you pick up the C4?
I didn't pick it up. There's no item.
Well, it's not it's not an item, it's a trigger. You gotta walk over it to touch it, and after that, you need to go press E on it.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
This worked, but maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, I had this working offline. I did it offline. Can I trigger it? A relay or something?
I can't load up hammer, it's gonna crash.
Same. I can teleport past it. Does it do anything important, or can I just teleport past
It just blows up the door. You can just teleport us past it, and we can move on to the next one. Oh no, someone got it. No, someone got it.
Dom.
Oh, you gotta stay. So basically, we need to stay here and over defend zombies while the tower blows up.
You should make
So
it.
stay away from the tower, by the way. Stay away from the tower. That shit goes up in flames. You don't want. Alright. Can't wait to watch this.
The jail someone when anyone could trigger the
And then there's
signal.
the 20 seconds for the doors to close after that. Doors open and get back up, not back up. Go to left side and defend these 2 bridges. Also, how's everyone's FPS? Is this still pretty bad? Like, doors open, get back in, get back in.
It's the snow shit.
It's probably the snow. Maybe I should just change it back to snow instead of snow particle.
It's not too bad. It's bad, but it's not.
I'll just tell people. I'll just tell.
Skill issue.
I'll just tell people to fucking get better computers and get inside the elevator. Like, get in the elevator. No. You know what? I'll just stay fixed in CS2. It's fine, man. Fixed in CS2.
Fall back!
Oh, I'm ready to
I
start.
told you to get in the elevator, man. I told you to get in the elevator.
Can we get 2 period zombies?
I got you, don't worry.
Why are you going to defend zombies? Oh, person, go to us. Like, get back in the elevator. Get back in the elevator. Defend. In extreme mode, right? Basically, the doors are closer to the zombie side instead of further away. Someone go trigger everyone's defense on. Just stay in the elevator and defend. Don't just go out. Keep defending, keep defending. Get in the elevator now, get in the elevator, get in. It's triggered, get in. How are people dying? What is going on?
Crushed by a building.
Is the map too confusing, right? Fuck, I might need to make it easier, yes? You can go to the east side, go to the east
straight
side.
line. People are just
Turn on the defender, turn on the defender, right? I'm gonna defend. Holy fuck, dude, I can't tell human skins from zombie skins, man. I'm like fucking blind. He's defending.
The worst on like Gmod. I can't tell shit on that.
I have to run some crazy levels of optimization just to be able to run Gmod smoothly. So at this part, one person needs to go in the side rooms to trigger the button, and then the main door can then be opened. But we gotta do it like multiple times. Some people defend. Defend. Just stay here and over defend.
My God! What are you doing?
The door is here, guys.
It's not the side rooms, alright? Some person needs to keep triggering the doors at the sides to get it, but we're going through the main path. Everyone just keep defending. Stay here and over defend. It's a long ass trigger. Alright, for this next part, one person needs to go to the side rooms to trigger the button again, but do not, once you trigger it, you gotta get out of the room immediately. The shit's gonna explode, you don't wanna fucking die. Stay here and keep defending, everyone stay in defense. Keep defending, everyone stay here, do not go back. If you go further back, you're probably gonna die to explosion later. Just keep defending for now. One person trigger the button later when it opens on the right side, and then you run away from the generator. CE on it and then run away immediately. Run away from it immediately and everyone keep defending.
Use your item. You can use your item, you can spam it.
Keep holding. Zombies stay close, you can use wind to cover. wind blaster, the purple particle. Whoever has the purple particle, that's wind blaster. You can swing it around later. Alright, push zombies back, push zombies. Doors open, back up a bit. The door's open. Alright, get back now. If Robert can get back. And defend now. You can go through the middle path. What the fuck? Get on this way, get on this way. Back up a bit, but keep holding the sword.
Fire in the hole.
Alright, get back now. Back again. Alright, it's gonna be the split defense, so half the team go left, half the team go right. Elevator leaves at around like 17:10, 17:15-ish, so you want to get back at like 17:30, 17:25. Alright, over defending, split up left front, get back now, split up left front, get back. You don't want to be late, just get in the elevator. Get in the elevator, it's gonna leave soon. Boost on, just keep shooting. For this part, just ice and ice or thunder, I mean electro can over defend. Everyone should take your time on these fire traps, just wait. Go across. Just take your time, wait. Just one trap at a time, You might want to use the item to cover. Stop saving items for CS2, man. You're not going to get it soon. Get back all the way, Teammates, once you're at the end, cover your teammates. Back all the way, back up all the way. Get back now, everyone back. Don't over defend, just get back all the way, Make sure be by Kevlar. Get back, just run, make sure you read by Kevlar. Go to the same spot again, just get back, guys, get in, we're gonna go to the same spot again. Once everyone here, I'm gonna use heal. Okay, everyone's healed, and throw nades at the boss, throw all your nades, nade the boss. Keep shooting. Alright, just stand on the, just stay stand on top and keep shooting. Get to the bottom and crouch, You're taking damage, just make sure to rebuy Kevlar and keep shooting the boss. Kill it fast. Just heal immediately after. Alright, get on top of something, just get to the top, Right on top it's in. I'm gonna use heal when it's up. I never thought cool. Make sure V-back careful if you needed it. Get up on top of something. Keep shooting, kill it, kill it. Alright, I use heal, just take the heal and kill the boss, kill it. It's almost like, kill it. Stop shooting, just reload, stop shooting, you're healing the boss. I killed the boss, kill it, shoot, kill it. Alright, it's fine, just make sure you stay on the boss, you're gonna get pulled, you're gonna get pulled into the wall, it's fine, just keep shooting. It's almost dead, kill it. Alright, we're going to the same place we came from. Go to the right side. Back up and keep holding. I'm just gonna drop down, could like use wind blaster to push them all out and then we can get back all the way. Sure, just get back. What am I saying? Get back all the way, just get back. When the door opens, I'm gonna go to the right side, but you keep holding. Alright, go out to the door, but keep holding. So I'm just gonna TP on my marker later. Just stay back and keep holding this side. We're going to the right. Where are we going? Just keep defending for now. If we fall back, move. We're gonna use push. You gotta use wind to push back. Alright, push on. It's fine. Just stay. We gotta stay in defense. Stay here in defense. Don't fall back and keep defending. One person jump down to trigger the door. Jump down. I think we're heading straight forward. I think. We're dropping to the right. Keep defending. Go. Okay, just get back. Don't need to get back. Go to the south. Drop down. Go to the right. You have to use the item to cover. I don't have the item to cover. Oh my god, dude. So yo, that's a good item. Yo, good item. The zombies will TP on my marker. Everyone go straight here. Come, guys, come here. Go to the south side. Go to the south side of the fence. One person go back and trigger the door. Everyone stay in the fence.
Go, quick, go.
Oh my god, that's crazy, dude.
I'm a bison, quick, go, run, I'm gonna infect.
My God, what are you doing?
Still quite a bit of this level left, so I'm just gonna revive.
Oh my god, dude, this heal. Dude, it would be cool to have an item that can heal people and revive them as humans.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Split up left and right. So basically what happens here is we split up left and right side and we climb up and turn around, defend these ramps until the doors are about to open. We triggered about 45, 25, 15. Doors gonna open at about 15-ish. We're gonna get back at about 20. So we're gonna defend these two ramps. After that, we're gonna go to the doors and we're gonna jump down. Any of the doors will open. They'll all open at the same time. Let's get back to the door now. Get back to the door. Doors opening. But for this part, you just gotta go straight down. Go to the 3 big doors that are gonna open. You see the zombie shortcut's already open. Ideally, zombies will also take. We could probably over defend take the shortcut next time. Actually, yeah. Let's get back all the way. The doors are opening. We're gonna run back all the way. It's gonna be a 3-path defense. Right? It's gonna be the last hold for the stage.
Is that the end of the map, or is it like a...
This is the end of the map. Yeah.
Okay.
I already got a list of issues I need to fix.
It's not bad.
I might just stripper fix it, to be honest. If other servers don't have the same heal, like the nuke issue, then...
When I offlined this stage, I had the nuke issue, so...
It did? Huh. Keep defense, so you would like do like 3-path hold, and later we get inside this door, it's gonna be the end of the map. Get inside to the last hold, it's the last hold.
See, this is a bit of anticlimactic with 6 zombies, but...
Inside, keep defending. the last soul. Yeah, that's pretty much from the...
Muy bien, todo el mundo. Estáis sudando la camiseta.
Oh my god, Mapia, best team, man. 52 people got the win. Holy shit. Defend until this door closes.
Well, rip this guy.
Cool map, cool map.
Alright. Just a couple